back to another video, guys. So I've got a little bit of a haul today, a little bit of shopping. There's bits from Amazon, AliExpress. I've got something as well from a place called Candybox nails that I've never bought from before. So I'm sat, I've got my cup of tea in my Little Miss Princess mug, because that's exactly what I am, a princess. Right, I'm going to start with Amazon first. I've got myself, this is a box of dip powders. It doesn't come with any liquids or anything. It was supposed to be a set of 12 dip powders, but it's not. It's actually, oh, I can't fit it under my camera. It's got 20 in there. So I've no idea where the 12 come from. It said 12 on the listing, it says 12 on the box. And I got this because I've got a lot of dip powders, and all my dip powders are bright, bold, in your face colours or glitters. I haven't got any just subtle nudes, pale pinks, greys. Yeah, and this is full of just nudes and greys and really pale colours. I mean, there is a few little glittery ones in there, but yeah, they're all mostly nudes, greys, pale pinks. So I really liked that. It comes with a duster brush, a file and a buffer. Yeah. Oh, it's got something else I didn't notice. It's got a little cuticle fork thingy-majiggy. One of them. Cool. I didn't notice that tucked in the bottom there. So yeah, I got that. They're all 10mm jars, and they've all got names. That's what I liked about this as well. They've all got names. So that's Unity, that's Gold. I don't think I'm going to do a swatch video on this. I mean, if anyone's really into dip powders and likes the look of it and really wants me to do one, then I'll swatch them. But yeah, I don't think I'll swatch it really. That'll just get stuck in my drawer for when I need it. Right, let's get this closed. Right, and sticking with dip powders, this is off Amazon as well. This is a dip powder starter kit. So this one comes with your liquids. I've actually already swatched this kit because I had to do a review on them, and I'm really impressed with it. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. So it comes with a little file and buffer. Look at this little posh duster brush. That's cute, isn't it? It comes with 2 spare brushes. I always love to see spare brushes in dip powder kits. I'll show you them colours in a minute. So yeah, all these liquids: nail prep, gel base, activator, gel top, brush saver. Has anybody ever seen bottles like this? Look, the bottom screws off. No idea what that's for. But the 12mm liquids, and yeah, I was really impressed with these liquids in particular. What's all that on them? I'm such a mucky pup, you know. All I did was swatch them and look at the colour. Yeah, I really liked these liquids. They were really nice. And these colours are beautiful. Look at that one, guys. It's got like a purple shimmer through it. That one is actually what I'm wearing on my pinky. If you're all wondering why I've got a random nail on, it's just a test nail, because obviously I can't review it without wearing it for a few days. So that is what that is, and it's beautiful. Really pigmented little colours, these. So it comes with 2 pinks. One's just a plain pink, and one's got a really, like this one, it's got a really subtle shimmer through it. And look at these, guys. These 2 would be beautiful for autumn. Look at them colours. That one has got a nice subtle shimmer through it as well. They'd be beautiful for autumn, wouldn't they? So yeah, there's that little dip kit that I got. That's a cute little kit. I'll leave links to all this in my description box. That was off Amazon as well. Right, sticking with Amazon, I've got myself this. I just recently got myself a couple of gel polish sets from this brand, Gelike. It's EC Cosmetics. And it's cuticle remover, base strengthener, top coat, and a nail and cuticle oil. And this brand as well, they're all, the gel polishes are all this as well. Paraben free, cruelty free, gluten free, vegan, organic. The gel polishes are HEMA free and 9 free. Let's just have a quick nosy. Right, so it comes with cuticle remover, melt away. Never ever used one of these before. Never used a cuticle remover before. So I'd be curious to see how that works. And then it's got a base strengthener, nail foundation. It's got top coat, seal and protects. And then it's got, look at this guys, it's so cute, a little cuticle oil. How cute is that? I think it tells you in this little booklet what everything does. So yeah, the cuticle remover, put it on a clean natural nail, spread it out evenly and leave it for 30 to 60 seconds. After that, clean your hands thoroughly to clean off the entire cuticle remover. I'll have to try that. I've never tried that before. And then it's got this base strengthener. Apply it onto the surface of your nails before your nail polish. And it helps weak, thin, soft or peeling nails by sealing the layers of the nails together. It can also be used as a base coat. The smell bit may be a little strong. Yeah, it does stink. I've smelt it. And then it's got the top coat seal and protects. So that goes over your nails once you've coloured them to seal in your manicure, and it prevents pigmentation, enhances nail hardness, isolates nail polish, protects real nails, effectively prevents nail surface to turn yellow. Well, that's cool. And then you've got your oil. So I think that's a really cute little kit. I like that. I do. I like that. That'd make a beautiful gift for someone, wouldn't it? That packaging's beautiful. Really like that. Right, sticking with Amazon. I've had a few products from this brand recently. What did I get off them last time? I think it was gel polish. And I've got a gel polish starter kit with a lamp that I'm going to do a video on next week. But this is their polygel. So what's the brand? I don't know if it's Tecan or Tecani. And this is just the clear polygels, but one's got pink glitter and one's just got like clear glitter. I'll show, I'm not going to do a swatch video on them, but I'll show you what they look like because I have swatched them off camera. So that's the pink glitter, so it's just clear with a hint of pink. And that's the other one. It's just clear with like hollow iridescent glitter. Very, very similar, aren't they? Very similar, except that one's got a little pink tone to it. But really nice polygel actually. It wasn't sticky or runny. The glitter was spread out nice and evenly. Yeah, it was a nice polygel to swatch actually. So I got a couple of those. Never heard of them, but yeah, I like it. Right, I think this is the last thing from Amazon. Yeah, it is BTartbox. I've never tried BTartbox tips. I see another YouTuber that I watch called Pick You Colour Nail Art Channel, I think. I'll put it up on the screen. She's called Tommy anyway. Beautiful, really, really sweet lady she is. I've seen her using these BTartbox tips quite a lot and they look really smart. But look at this case, guys. It's huge. It's so wide and look how skinny mini it is. And what I don't like about this case, the numbers go from right to left. Every nail case I've got, the numbers go from left to right. No, these have gone right to left. I've no idea why would you do that. To mess with my OCD, that's why. And these are, surprise, surprise, full cover coffin. And the first thing I'm going to do, because I haven't checked yet, is check the zero, because they never fit my thumb. Actually, they're not covering my thumb completely, but they are slightly bigger than the ones I've got. They are slightly bigger than the Gelike dupes I've got from AliExpress. I mean, once I've put a bit of product in there, they're not going to fit properly. I might get away with it. They're really just a little smidge. Excuse my nails, guys. They're absolutely grubby. And this is not dirt. I've got little like black lines, and it's actually inside, look. Inside my nails, and I don't know what it is. Look, there's one there. But yeah, that still doesn't fit, but we might get away with it. But they're actually a really nice shape. Look at the shape of them. Aren't they a nice shape? I love coffin tips. I do. I love full cover coffin tips at the minute. Yeah, really popular at the minute with Lazy Girl method and people making press-ons and all that. Right, that's Amazon. I'll quickly show you a few bits I got from AliExpress. Only a couple of bits. And then I've got something from Candybox nails. Oh shit, I forgot. These are from Amazon as well. I forgot. I've got some drill bits. I'm not going to open them because you can see what they are. I really like these little teeny weeny ball bits. Look at the size of that. These look quite nice. So these are diamond bits, and then there's 3 ceramic bits. So there's a fine, a medium, and a coarse, is it? I don't know what the coloured bands are. I know blue is medium. That yellow looks fine. Oh, I don't know, but there's 3 anyway. So I got them off Amazon as well. From this brand, YaFex. YaFex. Don't know what that was. Right, from AliExpress, I've got myself a glow-in-the-dark glitter. I haven't got any glow-in-the-dark glitter, and I have now. And oh my gosh, guys, it glows like I don't know what. It glows really cool. I'm going to grab a picture now, because if I don't do it now, I'm going to forget. Let me go and get a picture. Right, I've just been and took a picture. Oh my gosh. It glows. So it's just a hex mix. It's not got fine glitter in there. It's just large hexes and small hexes. Has it got medium hexes? No, it's just big hexes and small hexes. I think that'd be cool to mix in with other glitters though, to make glow-in-the-dark colourful ones, wouldn't it? And there's quite a bit in there, so I might mix some of that in with some of my other glitters. Right, also from AliExpress, I've got myself, let me get this out, another YouTuber, Nails by Cami. She bought some of these. They're just photo albums for her stickers and decals. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant, because I've got one of my drawers is absolutely jam-packed with stickers and decals, and so this is going to be perfect. I'll probably cover this. I cover with vinyl, so that's one of my, this is a transfer foil folder. It's got all my foils in. I covered that in a zebra print vinyl, and this one is a glitter folder. I've covered this one in like a marble vinyl, so I'll probably cover that photo album to match my others, but there's loads in there, and I could double these up, put some in the front, some in the back, because they're only stickers, aren't they? So that's going to be perfect. I can empty a full drawer now all into this little book. Brilliant. Right, quickly, last thing for AliExpress. Another thing, I got the link from Nails by Cami. They sent me a free gift, look, from AliExpress. It is cute. It is cute, but what am I going to do with that? What am I going to do with that? It's so cute, though. Nail drill bits. Nails by Cami says these are the best nail drill bits she's ever used. So I thought I'd try one. And these are the 5-in-1 drill bits, so you can use it in forward and reverse. And apparently it's fine at the top, medium in the middle, and coarse at the bottom. And it is, I can see it. I can see it. It's very difficult to see on camera, but the little teeth are finer at the top, and they get chunkier as it goes down. Yeah, they're supposed to be really, really good drill bits. So I'm going to give that a try. Right, lastly, I've just recently bought myself some, I needed some new pigment powders, and these are from a place called Candybox Nails. Let me just check that this has got my address on. Yeah, it has. Right, that's the name there, Candybox Nails. And I've got myself 6 neon pigments, and they're really, really nice actually. They're very pretty. Look how cute they are. So they're in little gold pots. Yeah, I needed some neon pigments, some new ones. And these pots are jam packed. They are filled to the brim. She had an offer on one night and she sold out. And I was gutted because I really wanted them. And she messaged me the day after and said she's just put them back on offer. And I think I paid £6 something for all these 6. And look, they're jam packed. I love neon pigments, I do. Love them. So I've got a pink, an orange and a blue. And then I've got a purple, a green and a yellow. Just your typical neon colours, aren't they? But yeah, I like them. They're cute. Anyway guys, that's it. We're through it. I was going to show you a few bits I got from Charlie's Nail Art. It's only a tiny couple of bits, but the video's going to be too long as it is. So I'm going to leave it there. I will leave links to everything in my description box. If I do miss anything, just ask me and I'll get it for you. But yeah, that's going to be it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.